All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to continue with some different types of statements here. And in this one, we're going to talk about what it means to be biconditional and what it is to be a definition. So a definition is good if it can be written as a biconditional, and every biconditional can be written as two conditionals that are converse of each other. So biconditional statements. A biconditional statement is a statement that contains if and only if. So I work at the restaurant if and only if. So I always like to, when I see this, I underline it, if and only if it is Saturday. So writing a biconditional statement is equivalent to writing a conditional statement and its converse. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to always assume that this first part is my P. Let's just do that for this scenario. And then the second part is going to be my Q. So if I can write the conditional statement, this is P implies Q. So what this would say is, I work at the restaurant. If I work at the restaurant, then it is Saturday. I can also do the converse, which is Q implies P, where I start with Q and I say if it is Saturday, then I work at the restaurant. It looks like both of these are true, so we have special notation for that where this is P implies Q and Q implies P. So it's got the arrow going both ways if you can write it as a biconditional statement.